The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day everybody and welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Hope you had a great day, evening, whatever it is in your part of the world. I am feeling quite satisfied. Pretty tired though. Got to admit it, I'm feeling a little bit knackered. It's been a big week in the markets. It's been a big week here at Trader Cobb as well. Last night had a webinar with well over 300 people involved, which was truly amazing given the current market conditions and a real testament to the understanding that you, the audience here, have of opportunities that are presented into the market space. The market is down and a lot of people said, oh, your timing's terrible. They said all sorts of silly things like that, but they didn't know, unfortunately, that you can actually profit as the market falls. And last night's webinar was a really, really good eye-opener for many people. And look, if you did not get onto that webinar, you can get the recording. All you need to do is basically get across and sign up to the bi-weekly video newsletter, and you will receive that webinar. So get across and do that at tradercobb.com, because we will be releasing the recording, I believe, later on today, and the special offer within there will last, as I said, I think it's a 24-hour period, which will take us through another 12 or so hours, something along those lines anyway. So guys, if you haven't already, go and get it because it's good stuff. I basically opened up and showed you the sort of strategies that I trade, what we do and how we do it. Opened up behind the paywall so you can see exactly what it is that you receive as a member of the service, and I am there to help you guys. You've just got to be someone who wants to put the work in. Putting the work in is indeed the hard part in everything, but it's what gets you there, guys. I know a lot of people are hurting at the moment. Once again, I hope it's not you. If it is, just go take a big walk, relax, chill out, and take some time out, okay? Because it's not a nice feeling if things are really crushing you. But let there be lessons here. There are a lot of lessons to be learnt. Obviously, we need to learn to trade is one of those. We've been able to in the last two big falls. I'm very proud to say, since I've had the community together, we've managed to get hedges on both decent moves. The first was on Bitcoin Cash way back when. I think it was when I had the podcast at that stage. Just recently, I think I just started doing that. It was around July. Actually, no, a couple of months I've been doing it. And then again recently off of 5,800 on Bitcoin. So we've been there at the coalface. We've been watching these markets. We've been patiently waiting for our opportunities to enter, and we have had the opportunities to do so. So many people in the last 2 weeks within the community have said they have had the best 2 weeks of trading in their trading careers thus far. Now, I don't say that to upset you, rub salt in the wound, or make you feel bad. That is not the objective here at all. It's just to, again, engage with you to let you know that there are other options out there than basically buying, holding, and expecting the world to get rich quick for you. You need to put the work in. Whether you're an investor, whether you're a trader, or whether you're like me and you're both, there is a lot that needs to be learned, and the lessons are ongoing. The top 10 today has seen a bit of a bounce. Bitcoin's up 1%. I'm moving my stop down to the most recent lower high on the 2-hour chart as per my rules. Ethereum is up 2%. They're all the charts pretty much looking very, very similar. Indeed, they are all very, very similar. I mean, realistically, the top 10 is pretty much a mirror image of itself, other than something like IOTA, which has had a bit of a pop today, up just about, or bang on 10% as I speak to you now. Ripple also looking a bit sideways, but there is a little bounce going on at this moment in time right now. That being said, it's certainly not something that I'm looking at to get long. Is this the bottom? I don't know. It's not something that I do. I don't call bottoms. I think it's too dangerous. It's a bit of a mugs game, in my humble opinion. I don't know why people want to call the bottom. I just don't see the point in it. It's about trading the chunk in the middle. I'm a trader, not somebody who needs the glory, so I'll wait and I'll trade what I see, not what I think, and I'll keep my objective on flawless execution. Now, guys, something else to consider is if you haven't subscribed to this here podcast, please do, because why not? just get involved, get yourself subscribed, and let's keep you plugged in. We've got some amazing interviews coming out. Geez, I've been busy the last few days. Some great interviews with people all over different parts of the world talking about things like, for example, blockchain and what's going on in Dubai. Very, very important stuff happening there that will shape the space, open it up to other projects, and exactly the projects I'm sort of working on now. We'll cover all that. There's some pretty cool stuff coming up, so you don't want to miss out on it. I know the markets might not be doing what you want them to do right now. I try and be the voice of reason. I try and explain things as good as I possibly can, and I interview people within the space. These interviews often let you feel like it's not so bad because this market is volatile. It goes up hard, it goes down hard. If this is a surprise to you, you need to open the charts and have a good look at what's going on, because that is what this market has done and probably will do for the foreseeable future. Is it all over? Not in my view, and not in the brain view, or sorry, not in the view of many of the people within the space that have got very large brains, much bigger than mine, and big companies and big bank balances. So relax, enjoy your day, get in there, get registered for that webinar right away, and subscribe to the podcast, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.